In cases where you've made a complaint either with an agency or filed a lawsuit and you're still at your job, and an employer then takes a negative job action against you, most statutes, virtually all of them, have a retaliation provision which makes it illegal for the employer to retaliate against you. And as a matter of fact, juries really connect with the retaliation aspect, so it's a very strong claim. They have to treat you with kid gloves after you file your lawsuit if you still remain with the employer. So if you do feel that you filed a claim and you're being treated in some negative way, such as getting a bad job performance, changing your job duties, or you lose your job, that will be an additional claim on top of the original claim.